What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning calculations in Python. So computers absolutely excel at performing calculations. Now, before we get into it, I want to say if you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing. But the compute in their name comes from the historical association with providing answers to mathematical questions. Python performs the arithmetic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, like so. So this will print 500, this will print 50, this will print 2.0. Notice that when we perform division, the result has a decimal place. This is because Python converts all ints to floats before performing division. In older versions of Python 2.7 and earlier, this conversion did not happen, and the integer division always rounded to the nearest integer. Division can throw its own special error, zero division error. Python will raise this error when attempting to divide by zero, which you cannot do uh, in general, right? Like in real life either. And mathematical operations in Python also follow the order of operations, or PEMDAS, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So let's go ahead and print out the result of this equation. So we're just going to honestly just copy it, but we'll do print. And we have 25 times 68 plus 13 divided by 28. So they'll do this first and then this, and then we'll add the two together. So it should be a float, but let's double check. Yeah, so we get 1700. But that's going to end it right here. That was calculations in Python. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.